Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a tanning rack in Windrose. Now for you to be able to make the tanning rack, press B on your keyboard and then press right click for you to be able to choose the type of building you want. Now over on the refining category, you'll be able to find the tanning rack right over here, and its materials are pretty cheap, costing only 10 pieces of wood and 5 pieces of rope. The only problem is that you can't really get this on the early game. Over on the discovery in your journal, over on the foothills region, you need to unlock the tree bark right over here. Once you've discovered tree bark, you'll then be able to unlock the building element for the tanning rack, allowing you to be able to build the building along with tannin, which can be used to make tanned leather, and also a bigger backpack for you to use in your journey. Now thankfully, compared to other buildings, the tanning rack can be placed without a roof being on top of it. It just needs to be within the bonfire range. And that's pretty much about it on how to make the tanning rack in Windrose.